This is an information video on the GPP-Digi Competency Management System or CMS. This particular video is looking at an overview of the System Manager role. The CMS runs on any standard web browser on PC, laptop, tablet or mobile phone, requiring no additional infrastructure into any organization. The System Manager or Center Manager role gains access to the full CMS dashboard. The user will have access to a number of key functions and settings which will be explained during this short video. The Users function provides access to every staff member on the system and allows the System Manager to assign both system roles such as Assessor, Internal Quality Assurer, and to assign job roles to individual staff members. This function also permits the System Manager to make a staff member's record active or inactive depending whether they have left the organization or not, for even if they have left, records of competence may be required to be kept for a minimum period post-departure. The Job Roles function allows the System Manager to create and manage job roles and to assign multiple tasks to a job role. The tasks contain the technical competencies that the staff member assigned to the job role will be measured against for performance as well as knowledge and understanding. The Tasks function allows the System Manager to create and manage the standalone activities which, when brought together, make up a job role. Within the tasks, the System Manager can create the individual standards or technical competencies which make up the tasks. These standards will be the performance criteria, the knowledge and understanding, and the behaviors and attitudes required to be measured for competence. In addition, within the Task Edit function, the System Manager can stipulate the period after which the task will need to be reassessed for current competence. Also, the System Manager can indicate if there is a period of tolerance beyond the reassessment period that the staff member will be allowed to continue to perform that activity if it has not been possible to complete the reassessment by the end of the reassessment period. The Departments function allows the System Manager to add various departments within the organization so that staff members can be allocated to these accordingly. This allows for more effective competence and data reporting when using the Reports function. The Locations function allows the System Manager to manage all the assets, plants and/or sites within the organization, and then to allocate staff members to a primary location along with multiple locations if they work across a number of assets. The list of locations can be viewed as a list or within a Google Map environment. For any competency management system to be deemed robust and auditable, once an assessment record is completed, it needs to be locked so that no alteration of the decision can be made without authority. Occasionally, assessors make errors and omit information. Therefore, the Unlock function allows the System Manager only to unlock completed assessment records back to an assessor for updating. The Reports function allows the System Manager to generate reports. The user developing a report can select a variety of criteria in order to tailor comprehensive reports. These criteria can be around location, job role, personnel, specific tasks, etc., and in many combinations. Reports can be in both graphical and text table formats, and the results can be exported or printed as required. A key function within creating and managing a robust, auditable competency management system is the internal quality assurance process. This process is the checking of the accuracy and consistency of assessment decisions and records. This is done through sampling, and the sampling function is controlled within this area. The Export and Imports function allows the System Manager to export all data in CSV, XML and JSON formats for use in other systems. Data can also be imported, such as users, job roles, tasks, standards, etc., in similar formats. If a direct connection to external software to allow for the export of data is required, the software to connect to external software can be developed. The Settings function allows the System Manager to control and adjust a number of the finer settings within the CMS. These include the renaming of user roles on the CMS to suit local terminology. The Languages function allows the System Manager to add additional languages to the CMS. This is a unique operation within the CMS and will allow users to view the information on the CMS in their own native language should they choose to do so. For a full demonstration and further information of the Competency Management System, contact us via the various points of contact opposite.